Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Nirmal and welcome to a quick unboxing. Today I have a beautiful package from Amazon. So without further ado, let's unbox. So what I have with me is called the Manfrotto mini tripod. It's called the Manfrotto PIXI mini tripod, and we're gonna quickly unbox this. This tripod is known for its sheer size and the value it adds to the user that's currently holding on to the tripod. So, and this is a tripod that's made for cameras of this form factor, the handheld camera form factor. And I've heard so much about it, so I thought I need to try it out for myself. So this is the tripod. It looks like a broken piece. So this is the Manfrotto mini tripod. Though the box looks like it's been used of some kinds. No, it's not. It's a brand new one. So without further ado, let's unbox it. Okay, so this is the tripod. This is the form factor of the tripod. It has 3 legs, so it's a tripod. Makes sense that way. And you can just use it for everyday mounting. So I'm just going to quickly mount it onto this camera and try to use it. It's actually nice. And there's a quick release button to move. The ball head does not move easily, so you press the button and you move. Because it's a very new one, it's a little hard, so I think shortly it should easily move around. And what's in the packet other than the box is a bunch of papers, which is a cardboard, and a bunch of information about how to use this tripod, and also about other products for this Manfrotto tripod, and also some information about which weather conditions is perfect, and the weightage of this tripod. So this tripod can carry the maximum of 1 kilo. So that's the maximum payload for this tripod, with a maximum, the mm of the lens, that's 85 mm of lens can be put onto this tripod. So this is a lightweight pocket point and shoot tripod kind of thing, which is one of the best in this kind. And now let's talk about the company itself. Manfrotto is one of the best tripod manufacturers in the world. They are known for making high quality products at low cost. But in India, when these tripods come to in India, they're carbon fiber and stuff, so they're very expensive to buy. About 7,000 and upwards, so you'll find about 90,000 worth of tripods itself, and these are lightweight carbon fiber, crazy stuff. So they're very light, the tripods are very efficient to carry your cameras, and you get to know different kind of tripods that Manfrotto offers in the market at the moment, and you can pick up the one you like. Well, that is it for today's video on the unboxing of the Manfrotto tripod. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.